So, this is the office where you can do security camera footage work. Mr. Black. This is Rocket. I know he's Rocket. So, this is where you'll check security footage cams. So, Rocket, you can give me a call if this job is not fit for you. And he also does agent runs as well. He's right. Just because we do surveillance work up here doesn't mean we only do this all the time. Hey, you want to search the footage cams with me? Whenever we see something suspicious, I contact all the officers for that purpose. Like that one, for instance. Woods can't be alive. Agent Coleman, we have a report that Garrett Woods is still alive. Impossible. I thought he's dead. Apparently not. You need to send agents out there immediately. Got it. Wonder who those assholes are. What? I thought you were dead. That's because you're stupid enough that you don't even know who I actually am. No, it can't be. My name is Stripe. I am the master of identity. There's no way. Exactly. Which means I must be to my job, trying to eliminate your blood now. Back off! Don't touch. Stay away from as I beat up this bitch if I would. Hi. You okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm not. Scoop. Scoop. We'll get hospital. We'll get you in the hospital wing immediately. Agent Coleman, get some paramedics. We need to take Scoop to the hospital wing. On it.